Hello, students and parents, and welcome to a new school year. My name is Lakeisha Sallee, and I will be your child's Algebra Readiness teacher. A little bit about me. I am a graduate of Norfolk State University. This is my 24th year of teaching. I've been with Chesapeake Public Schools for the past 7 years, and I also serve as the head softball coach and Ladies of Distinction sponsor here at Hugo Owens Middle School. You're probably asking yourself, just what is algebra readiness? Well, it's a math intervention course for students in grades 6 through 9. It's designed to provide instructional interventions for mathematical concepts. Students in my class will be engaged in learning activities that are specific to their identified areas of need. Students can take algebra readiness more than once. So your child may have it in sixth grade and seventh grade and possibly eighth grade. Or they may have it in sixth and then come back in eighth. Okay, so they can't take it more than one time during the school year. During their middle school years. What we know is that successful completion of Algebra 1 is required for all students to graduate high school. This class will help students develop the skills necessary to be successful in Algebra 1, as well as pass that Algebra 1 SOL test. Students selected for this class have demonstrated a weakness in one or more math strands based on math assessments that we give at the beginning and end of the year, as well as SOL tests. What to expect in class? In this class is a little different from their regular math class. We definitely try to be more interactive and have more hands-on activities. The students will work in small groups and do cooperative learning activities. We use technology regularly, and they'll have opportunities to present their information to their peers. All instruction and activities are designed to build and reinforce students' basic math skills, math reasoning, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. These are the skills that are necessary for successful completion of Algebra 1. Supplies. Students take my class during their elective bell. So just about everything they need will be provided. They do need to come though with their Chromebooks, good manners, and a positive attitude. If you would like to donate to my class, we can always use tissues and pencils. Those are two things that we run out of regularly. As far as grading and makeup work, students will receive letter grades throughout the quarter for the work they complete. But when it's time for report cards or progress reports, their grade will be changed to either P for progressing or N for needs improvement. This class is not designed to be punitive. It's designed to build their skills. So the grading is a little bit, it's a different type of grading, okay? We're grading effort and development. Students are responsible for making up any missed assignments. All I ask is that students, please communicate with me. Let me know what's going on, and we'll make sure everything gets turned in. I will be available if you have any additional questions and answers on Wednesday, September 15th. You can contact me during 8:15 or 8:45 in the morning, between those times in the morning. Or if you need an evening time, I'll be available between hours of 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the evening. And my Google Meet code is posted on the screen. It's Algebra Readiness Q&A. Again, my name is Mrs. Sallee. I'm very excited for the new school year. Looking forward to really working with you all, setting some goals, building your skills. I want to make sure when you leave my class, you leave stronger than when you came. Have a good day.